Julian here from Julian Tech TM. Today I have Yaya and Ridwan. Are you very confident for this?
I don't know anything
You don't
about
know anything,
computer.
right? We are building a PC. This is actually Yaya's PC. He used his own money to buy. So thank you for kind of donating content for me.
I wasn't nervous just now until Ridwan came. Now I'm more nervous.
So I'll be teaching you all how to build. But the challenge is I cannot touch anything lah. But there's a twist. Ashley will issue me extra challenges, whether I can see, speak, or hear. Now I can do everything first, right?
Yeah.
If you all make too many mistakes, you don't get a reward. It's actually your reward lah.
My reward is the PC itself.
No, the reward is that I help you cable manage and help
Oh.
you install Windows,
Oh.
install all the updates. So Ridwan, maximum can only do 5 mistakes. Yaya, you have 3.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm good with 3. Whichever lah. Anyway,
lah.
we're not gonna make any mistakes lah.
Yeah, like, oh sure man.
Okay, let's go.
Ridwan, I want you to put everything down except the CPU. Mother.
Oh no. Oh no.
Let's do this. CPU and motherboard, okay? Figure out what is the motherboard. Figure out what is the CPU.
I don't think this is the motherboard or the CPU. This is the casing.
Wow.
Carry also don't make mistake. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Pass. First challenge. Okay. Next.
What's this? As you guys can see, it says here GeForce RTX 3070.
Okay.
Can. It has ray tracing,
Okay.
GDDR6 and
Graphics. Graphic card. This is a graphic card.
Wow.
Correct.
Okay.
So
Off to a good start.
So do we put it on the table or not?
No.
Okay.
Alright, man.
Dark Rock Pro 4. What is this? It looks like a fan. Is it a cooler?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, but cooler for what?
For the RAM.
Never mind. Should we put it on the table or not?
No.
Okay, very
No,
nice.
it's not.
Thank you.
It's a super flower. The more I read, the more I don't understand.
So this is the Super Flower LEDX 3.
I give you a clue. Look in front.
850 watts.
Yeah, 50 watts.
Battery, ah?
Okay, close lah. Close.
Should we be on the table?
Yeah. So. It's not. Of course it's not. Wow, this stuff, eh.
Okay.
I want to cry.
What's this? Open. So this is the ROG Strix Gaming Z490.
It's a.
People are laughing, I'm a joke.
It's a.
So let me tell you what's a motherboard.
Motherboard. It's a motherboard.
Confirm or not?
It looks like a board. It looks like.
that
Then
looks
when I see, I like, oh, mother. Motherboard.
Okay, I'll pass.
Pass, it's a motherboard.
Wait. On table or off table?
On.
Okay.
So this is Clef DDR4 16 GB 3200 MHz and you have 2. So you have 2 times 16. You got 32 gigs of.
Memory.
I guess you're right. So
What's the full name?
RAM.
Yeah!
should we be on the table or not?
No.
Yeah! Only 5 mistakes.
Wow.
Only 5 mistakes.
Actually surprised, you know what is a RAM?
Oh, this one he confirm don't
Chewing
know.
gum.
He confirm don't know.
Does this look like a central processing unit?
Central means must have how many?
Like north, east, south, west.
Central.
Center.
So how got how many?
1.
This one got how many?
So I got 2.
Is this CPU?
Don't think so.
Ah.
What is this stuff, eh? Wow, I feel very stressed.
So that was NVMe SSD. Alright, it's an NVMe SSD,
SSD.
1 terabyte.
1 terabyte each.
Okay, so this is a.
It says here hard drive, very easy. Very
Yeah.
easy, luckily.
Okay.
Then must be this, ah.
Left 2. This one and this one. Which one is the? Which one is what?
Strong feeling with this one.
Okay, what's that?
So what's this?
10th Gen Core i9 Unlock i9-10900KF LGA1200.
So it's an i9 10900KF, meaning you won't have internal graphics for the CPU, but you don't need lah.
Because I have a graphics card. Okay, Ridwan.
Ah,
Your job is to unbox this very gently. This is like the most fragile part of the whole computer lah.
Hi Ridwan.
hello.
Yeah. So I want you to push the metal bar out and then you push it to the right. Okay?
Push to the right.
This one.
That's how you.
taking up.
Yeah.
Then put it here.
Yeah.
Yeah, from the bottom.
Then let go.
Then put it
Let go.
I know how to put already.
Okay, wait.
He will put, but I explain.
Oh, yeah, you want to explain?
I want to explain.
Go ahead.
So there's a triangle here. See, this one has the dot. So you're supposed to align that triangle to this dot. All these golden contacts you cannot touch.
I can see you're all shaking. Sia.
Hey, left.
You need to look at
I
him.
arrange. I Okay. Confident. Yeah.
Use your thumb. You got more control with your thumb.
No, I just feel it will break. That's the.
No lah. Alright. Okay, the toughest part is over.
Gonna be a challenge.
Oh, okay. Challenge time.
Challenge time. Okay, so
Okay.
Julian, you cannot hear anything.
Oh, I cannot hear anything. Okay. Sure. Yeah, now I cannot hear anything.
Okay, pass me the RAM. Okay, for
So
this.
are you taking out the RAM or are you taking out the SSD?
RAM.
Okay, RAM. Okay.
Mana RAM?
I'm looking for the
Do you know what is a RAM or not?
Yes.
Yes, this is a RAM.
I think for the RAM, both of you can do one.
Okay. Can.
Correct. Just force harder.
Aku tengok.
Did you hear a click?
Yes.
More. Ah! I cannot hear, but I see.
Still got 5
I
mistakes.
feel like my other senses are a lot better now. Yeah.
Yes.
What do you want to put next?
The M.2 SSD.
I cannot hear. Okay, show me.
M2.
Yeah, correct.
Chewing gum.
This is easy, man.
Yeah.
I should make it 3 mistakes for you, 1 mistake for
No.
you.
Wait. I think I need to.
Okay.
You got a screwdriver?
Yeah, screwdriver.
Hey, where's your metal?
Huh?
Where's your screw
Huh?
thing? There.
Oh, you want a plate, is it?
The bowl. This one like surgeon. Got assistant all.
You're the nurse.
I'm a nurse. That one your angry supervisor.
Yeah, exactly the same plate. Hey.
I don't know what they're saying. Why are you laughing?
Hey.
What was that?
And they dropped
It's
the
magnetic.
screw.
It's magnetic. Oh,
Ah,
that one also magnetic. Oh.
How are you feeling?
It's alright.
You don't seem phased at all.
That's also worrying lah. That means he doesn't care.
If you're pushing right, you let it go, it will just like flop out. Correct.
Okay, Ron.
Okay?
Yeah.
Next one.
Whatever I just did, can you do it?
Okay. Ridwan, I think you should do the next one.
Okay.
Yes. That's what I said. Okay.
Okay, very nice. Then now you can put back all this. You can take out the strips of the thermal pads. Okay. What's next, Yaya? You say, you
Oh,
take.
graphic card.
No.
Drive, graphic card.
Cooler.
Cooler.
Sure. No?
Hey, shut up.
Cooler. Correct.
We're not talking about that.
Now you cannot talk anymore.
Now I cannot talk.
Oh my god. Okay. Any mistakes you just.
You have to speak.
Okay, here's the signal.
What's this? Screwdriver?
Okay.
Be quiet.
Okay.
Oh, no wonder he cannot talk. Oh, it's a be quiet. Oh, finally the gears at the top. I like you better when you couldn't hear things. No. No. Oh, okay.
I feel more confused with this Julian.
Yeah, I don't like this Julian, man.
I don't understand this.
SpongeBob.
Then come out fire.
Maybe I use the too big. Okay. I want your one. Mine, the reader.
Arctic Silver 5.
Wow. Okay.
What?
So you need to put the thermal paste on the CPU here, right? Okay. But one motion and line. Okay. So you will start pasting the thermal paste when he you stop. Took 10 years of friendship for that.
Okay, so I take out this.
I'm fast forwarding this part because the build actually went smoothly, so it's not that entertaining. Also, I don't want this video to be 1 hour long, so I'm just gonna cut this video up into highlights of the no C challenge. Wow. Wow. Like I'm using a daredevil tactic, you know.
I stand by my words. I prefer it when you can't hear.
That's the best.
Yeah, that's the best.
It's not labeled, right?
It's not labeled.
Okay, yeah, this is where you need this to show. Sorry. This is where you need this. I cannot find.
I just realized you opened a book.
I'm looking.
I think you got something useful to do.
Okay.
Can shine light?
Is my lighting working?
No, it's not. You're shining at the book. I can see the book. You know.
We are done, guys. Cable management haven't finished yet, but I mean, that's the reward lah. If it turns on, then I will help you lah. If it doesn't turn on, then too bad lah.
Okay.
Who wants to do the honors? This is the power button.
Oh, things are moving.
There's a light.
Is there light?
Right.
There's light.
Things are moving.
To turn on one time. Ah!
What? There is?
Hey!
Oh, is it?
I've never been so happy to see this
Yeah,
screen of
Let
gibberish.
me look at this screen.
I've never built a computer in my life.
Congratulations, man. Congratulations.
Yeah, we did it.
Congratulations.
How do y'all feel about all of this?
To be honest, I was watching videos lah to prepare for today.
So you did your homework lah?
I did my homework, and videos and manuals are a different thing compared to the actual thing.
Yeah.
So I think the actual thing, what made me the most nervous was the CPU. But once that is done, I didn't realize the connectors, the pin connectors and all that are even way more complicated.
Redwan, first time, never even touched. The only thing you know is to charge your MacBook.
I must say, I'm quite impressed. I was expecting a short circuit or maybe something happened, something smoke or... So far so good.
Was it easier to put like
It
a
was
CPU?
not. It was not.
Not easy.
It's not. I
How
swear.
come? Why is it not easy?
Maybe for me to fix a table also sometimes takes time.
But even though you say it's hard, you managed to do it.
I managed to do it, so I think like if I can do it, so guys, so like any one of you can. Now maybe you need like 2 more other friends.
You need 3 Julians but 0 Ridwans.
My reward. Oh, okay. Yes, thanks.
The experience was fun lah. Not having sensors because I've done this video quite a number of times. So now without the seeing,
Yeah, that's
speaking or
impressive,
hearing, it's a little bit.
It's like some martial art movie. It's like you're not seeing that you can punch and do
And
the enemy.
I have to say the chemistry and friendship between us
Yeah,
really
I
helped.
think, yeah, that helped. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned because we're still doing some cable management, but I think he is done. So thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Ridwan.
Yes, thank you, Ridwan.
Thank you.
Several days later.
Okay, so after Ridwan left, I did some cable management and installed all the software for you. Update Sui Sui, Windows 10 or Sui Sui. So you had this PC for a few weeks now. How is it so far?
It's been great, man. Like I do video and audio editing and everything is just so smooth. An example, I could fit one render in one IG story. That's how fast.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but you used to use the i7 4790K, correct?
Yeah, that's correct. So now jumping to the i9 10900KF, it's really massive difference, man. You can feel it.
I want to ask you one question. Why do you go for Intel instead of AMD? Even though AMD, I told you, is better than Intel.
Yeah, you actually told me about AMD. I also read online about it being better performance for my needs. But I think I just have that brand confidence. I've been using Intel all this while. So maybe I don't want to take that risk yet.
Wait for everyone to do first, see whether there's any issues, and when they are really stable, then maybe you'll go the AMD side lah.
Yeah, I guess you can say that. Maybe like more and more good reviews. I'm not saying that there's bad reviews, but I think I need to hear more and maybe experience one for myself first.
I would say it's because it's very rare to see reviews on editing software, so you need some time to see that stability first. So one more thing, Yaya. I saw that you add some new things to your PC. Huh? What is it?
I mean, after we did the build, everything was so clean and nice, but it was also very plain. So me being me, I wanted to go more for the aesthetics. So the first thing I added Hot Toys Infinity Gauntlet from Avengers Endgame, and after that I also kind of changed the fans. I got the Corsair QL 3 QL 120s and 1 QL 140 just for the lights.
So you took some B-rolls of your setup, and I kind of had a sneak peek already, and it looks pretty awesome. So let's show it to the viewers. Anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you, Yaya, for donating your parts for this content. I think it was a fun video to make, man. It was. I can't wait for you to watch the video because it's freaking hilarious.
Yeah, I can't wait as well. But also thank you to you, man, for
Eh,
providing
problem, man.
Julian
Yeah.
tech support. And I'm very, very happy with my PC. So really thank you.
Nice. Thank you, Ridwan, if you're watching this for joining us also. So hope you enjoyed this video.
I want to say
And
something to everyone.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Thank you for doing the most difficult part, which is the one I'm most afraid of, which is putting the CPU.
CPU. Yeah, I watched the video again. I can see your hand shaking when you touch holding the CPU. I don't understand why. But yeah, it was a fun video to make. It was a fun video to actually edit as well. So thank you so much, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. And I think we are done. Hey, thank you, Yaya. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.